Hello all. Spotify live jam in here URL.
Hello and welcome back to CarX Drift Racing Online. This episode 641 on the DefNation4Real account, the 5th account actually on CarX, RRP DefRekka. Let's enjoy a little bit of drifting or not, that's on your purpose. Careful, this game is annoying loud, and maybe my voice is not getting here actually in the races. But I'm still talking. Some people actually say my microphone is actually too low. Maybe it is. I'm not sure. Let's catch it up. Linked it actually with my Spotify Asphalt Legends X playlist. So live jam, you can actually change tracks and all these stuff. You have Spotify actually on your cell phone on or PC, whatever. Join in. Just tap it on the link. So the top chat, live chat. That's actually it. If you don't have Spotify, then you actually came to a blank site and you just see my account and that's it on Spotify. Okay, seriously, a little bit tired here right now. It's 14 hours actually I'm awake. 10 hours actually in the Elder Scrolls Online, and kind of 2 or 3 hours actually, or was it 2 hours? 2 hours, close to 2 hours on the Asphalt Legends Unite. But you know, it's just like, it pisses me off at the end on the Asphalt Legends Unite if I'm just losing a race by the hunted and you just really wanted actually these cop race to win. These 10 actually unplugging police cars, knockouts, knockdowns. So I couldn't, I just was actually pissed immediately. That's normal because I know I can't win, but I try actually because people's watching, 6 people in this time. I said, let's keep it moving. I was saying to myself, I can't win. So I pissed off then. So yeah. And I'm pissed in here right now in this game, CarX Drift Racing Online. Enjoy. Even if it's very lame for you because actually I'm dealing down the single player mode only. Because the multiplayer just gives you nothing, gives you no XP, no money. It's just seriously a piece of shit. For the multiplayer, it's just get actually fucked up so much. Since 8 years now. And I'm playing this game since good 4 years now. Let's do some money. Let's see what's coming up in here. It's always a lot to deal down with. Mostly impressed about the racing game, where we're actually not getting actually XP, but drifting gives you XP 20 times more. But you know, I just enjoying the Sunday today, so hope you enjoy as well. Let's keep on moving then. And as I say, careful, this game is loud. All the cars are made up by yourself. You can make it up by yourself or just let it be like it is. So every car is different like the other cars. This is not actually a game like Onrush, Asphalt Legends Unite, Dirt, Grip, Grit. Doesn't matter. This is a customized online, maybe actually a very awesome, good drift game as I never saw it before. Definitely. Even can fall together actually 50 times Need for Speed. This game has purpose, and 4 times actually Gran Turismo. So this game has something of realism for the physics. But first, just enjoy. Ci auf kampanje så hvis du så skal prøve i next stream. Race and drift. On race, the maximum is 123 XP, by the way. Money upscale to unlimited. I don't know who's coming the idea that the car is so big. The RX-7 is very small and the driver is very small in this time for the RX-7. So the RX-7 is actually a small car and the driver is too small for that car. Normally it's I don't know why they get actually the driver so small in this RX-7. It's bullshit. One time's blinked, it's over. Hold on, what's it calling? The Mascotti is actually on the wrong side. There we go. Man, this game makes me very, very, very sleepy. What's up, Chris? Somebody was listening to that. Ah, be good. My heart is not actually hurting anymore, thanks to the magnesium calcium pill. Music. All the times, every movement of my skull, my jaw, all the times making noises, you know. This is so fucked up since I have actually these operations the last 2 years. Everything's knuckling, everything in there. This is what the fuck. What the hell, man? Wow, it's so fucked up. All the times. It hurts when I'm touching it. I think it's time over actually for my life. Brutality. Let's script it down actually the book. 8038. Asphalt Legend Unite. D4R 248. And CarX. What was that? 641. D4R. No sleep. It's 15 hours now. It's 5 hours actually drinking alcohol. Where I was actually believing kind of, what should I say, 7 hours ago actually I would try to sleep. 8 hours, sorry, for 8 hours. 8.5 actually, but you know, between the gap of live streams. I can ask, how was your Sunday? Comments are for free, by the way. Cheers. Gun bottomos. Careful, noisy. Oh gosh. The most problem is with the noise. I can't see where I'm driving. Oh, why are you going? I can't win this one. It's just it. Could win? Oh my gosh, but the car is so stiff. It makes a lot of problems. I'm not proud of it. It has so many horsepowers. It just goes stiff so hard if you press a little bit the R2 button. A hardcore car. Holy moly, I have to say. I can't fix this one. That's a brutal car, I have to say. My beloved, you know, Viper. I just want to say voodoo all the times. I do racing, not drifting. Drifting I can deal done actually into Norway as well with the helmet camera, but racing it's only fair when I'm driving into Norway. I started up for a couple of years ago, in these 4 years, kind of say racing only itinerary because I was feeling fine, because so many cars have a real realism actually sound system. That was just so fun to start up this racing. And yes, I'm drifting with the, what's it calling? Normally you're racing with ultimate parts, or with racing parts, but drifting to not have drift, I'm not using drift setup. I use actually ultimate part setup, so because it makes more fun. Maybe the drift community say that's wrong with the ultimate parts to drift actually, not with the drift setup parts to drift. It's stupid, I know. I give a fuck, you know. Tschüss auch. Ihr Früchtchen. I know it's ultimate rare actually already to somebody that watch in here, because nobody knows actually what the hell I'm dealing done. It's always the same YouTube account, changed 4 times in 20 years. And so as I change, as my PlayStation Network ID accounts always change as well. To say, okay, I can't go forward with this account anymore, so I grab a new one or an older one, or make a new account on PlayStation Network for the PlayStation 4. And so many people actually don't know this game anymore, as I didn't know as well for 4.5 years ago. This game is out since 2017, like Asphalt Legends Unite. I never was playing these 2 accounts, these 2 games, I mean, and so that was barely actually a research help cry for myself what kind of a game I can play. I watched actually the internet, and I found out there's CarX actually for PlayStation, there's Asphalt Legends Unite finally for PlayStation, Sony, because Asphalt Legends Unite and CarX was always PC for me, even in my childhood. Yeah, okay, there was no CarX, of course. I'm going to pee, and yeah, let's see you later. Åtta until tadaimas, but it takes a bit. I was just peeing. Bam 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 bam. Why I'm still playing this, and maybe you get already bored, is because I have my earplugs in, the headset over the earplugs, because I'm using actually Spotify for earplugs and the headset for the game. It's best for the neighborhood. Sometimes I don't have headset on or earplugs, and I'm using my TV screen, of course, only. But for racing games, I want to hear it. At the same time, I want to listen music. So what are you dealing done with? Earplugs for actually the music of Spotify, and then the headset over for the game itself. That's normal on me. If you just, you know, thinking what the hell he's talking about, or just zooming around like I don't know how to explain. Most time I don't hear myself anyway, because the game is too loud and the music is too loud. And so, as it is, the girl speaks all the time the stuff out what I'm typing, or you typing in the comments. Mostly I don't understand what she's saying. Was it Japanese, German, other language, or English? In a race, I can't answer her. Sometimes I understand, but the cars are so loud and the music is so loud in my earplugs. Sorry for that one. This is not an RPG game or MMO. This is an action racing game or something. An ARPG? No, it's actually, I don't know what it is then, a racing game just. Asphalt Legends Unite as well. I need a little time. That means I need to go to the finish line to see the comments then and answer them directly by talking or just over the keyboard. So don't get mad for that one. But for 4 years I was starting up for these games. On DefRekka account I was very famous actually since 2013. Especially 2008 to 2013 on PlayStation 3. I have my haters, I have my likers, and I have all this stuff, but I lost so many people actually and friends. Cause I just was hacked away, new YouTube account again, because I failed about the Google, about the password, but this is so fucked up all my life. And as I'm actually more than 20 years now on live stream, nobody knows me anymore. So I'm always like flying around since more than 5 years now by myself alone. So it would be helpful actually to come back on a YouTube channel or something. See me racing actually somewhere. Let me know in the comment actually I know you or something. I know I'm a crazy German Bavarian, but not anymore. I'm getting older. I feel lost already. Too lonely. So, tadaimas. Cheers up, Campania Australia. Så lige så du skal prøve din spil. I think I'd just give myself actually 4 to 5 years maximum. Then the whole part A actually with myself itself, but the body system is over. Then I'll continue like that. Was it Frankenstein or was it actually Edelweiss Einstein? Gunbody must be careful, it's loud. Maxed it out. Nice. Just a minute and 207,000 credits. And I couldn't believe 123 XP. That's the maximum anyway you get in the time attack. Experience points. I like that music. Killing floor. That's a game. Yeah. All your days over there, the trailer. So far. Uh-huh. Oh, he's checking it to the middle. What you waiting for? Icy track, icy track. Nighttime, daylight. Nighttime. Vad happened? Det är typ att jag gått avgelöst. Just up kampagne og så vi så du går på the next stream. Tell them us by the way when you're watching that first time. I'm zooming with the song. I'm sorry, earplugs. Come on aside. Ah! Gunburimus. Is it slow? Did you told the car is loud? Shit, that's no nice. So the people section was coming up to 4 watchers and then immediately 2 watchers. Maybe I just crashed. I don't lie. Stupid itinerary. Everything we do, chat. Fine. Maybe. Oh, who the hell was just making this up? Yeah. She got a little window. Monday, Friday, Saturday, not today. The bull. Steak you got. Ci sa kampanje, što vi se vidjeli, od kojeg prosti nek špim. Drink the beer, goddammit. Up, the mother, up. Ah, spierke rak, super. I think about the Japanese Nippon actually had got 8 minutes in front of actually 0 o'clock right now on Sunday. I've got these, 3 o'clock and 53 p.m. right now on Sunday in Bavaria, Germany. What do the American have? Let me guess, 7 o'clock in the morning time? Oh, Sunday. Bastards. Daylight, why not? The Nürnbergring. Need some tequila, man. And then drifted the spirit. What am I? Hold on a second. What comes up now? Oh my god, what happened here? Comes, maybe. Here we go. Vamos. Gosh, you want to drift that one? It's very cold. Oh, by the way, I totally forgot. Because I'm going very, I have to say, every 10 minutes to go to pee, a half hour to go to the toilet. It is the problem by... It's very cold in my room. It's like you're sitting outside with actually 5 degrees. So that's why I all the time's going to pee. It's not about the drinking problem in the racing games. It's because I open up actually the window, get my ventilation system on, smoking, drinking, to get the smoke out. It depends actually all the times by the heatness or actually coldness. What it came inside of my room. It's not changing even by these MMO or RPG games. The window is always open for fresh air. That's a game, a room for myself, so I put it actually like it is outside, so it's cold or warm or something else, I'm sweating or actually freezing the hell. So today is actually a very hardcore freezing day for myself somehow, because I was actually more than 12 hours in another game. And this is not racing, this is not actually drinking alcohol or smoking my cigarettes, it's just actually sitting there and having fun and being included in my mind actually to a fantasy game, and that's all. So I came on the idea actually just go to sleep actually for a couple of 9 hours ago, where I was very sleepy, and I got up by myself actually with a coffee. I just was very close to my head on the keyboard to say, okay, that's it, go to sleep. Now it's 7 o'clock in the morning, right now it's close to 16 o'clock right now, and I was going through actually, yeah, close to 13 hours live stream. Even I tried to stop actually for kind of 11 hours before. So I'm still there, I'm still here. Must be the coffee, must be actually the Amazon Coca-Cola or something. Everything's good. I'm still there. 16 o'clock, 4 o'clock PM here right now in Bavaria, Germany. I have to work actually in the next week, and then it's over for maybe a hope 2 weeks long. And let's see what's coming up. There's a lot of games actually I just want to deal done a little while. But you know, no friends, no subscribers, no, I can't deal done. But I have a little work to deal done and here and there. I'm getting old, I have to say, you know. I feel not like actually for 2 years ago. Do whatever I want. I have permissions actually to deal done with. Alright, whatever. Trying to have fun in here as well, like you. To hopefully actually watch this one in here. Alright, Mara, let's keep on moving. Mara for the racing game. Really? Why not? Enjoy. Try to randomize myself all the times in single player career mode, but it's not a career mode, so it's a single player mode. You can make whatever you want. However, the progress dealing done with my brain as well. So I randomize nighttime, daylight, cars and stuff like that. Sometimes I have a good day, wake up or something and creating a new car, and that's it. But this is the fifth account on CarX, so I feel lousy to make some decals, vinyls, paint work actually on it. I feel very lousy right now. My master chip was DefRekka account or DjVolgin account, was producing a lot of good cars. Even it looks good. Normally I should actually go to these, what's it called? Yeah, exactly. Castle Road actually. Castle Road, and dealing done with the kind of Camaro and with the Viper actually. Some good stuff to get actually a gold trophy in these places, network trophy systems there, but you know, I just give a fuck right now. I know how hard it is to get actually experience mode, but I said XP, but these XPs to get actually into this game, so I give a fuck what I'm driving. It should be actually giving us a good XP, drift XP, race XP, doesn't matter, because you need them to get forward with the game itself. That's why I'm in here. Not actually I'm playing for just to have fun for that. No, I have a mission. still I have a mission. The experience until actually level 25 is getting worse and worse to get millions XP you need. But now I'm actually bird free what I'm dealing done, because they're coming anyway, these XPs and leveling. But then there's actually the trophies are very important to deal done in the next months in this game. This game needs actually 6 years to get actually a platinum. No joke. And I can't short it out. Even with Safe Wizard, you can't short it out. Even I type them, don't get actually with these kind of 6.7 million, was a billion, XPs. You have immediately actually level 30 and you don't get a trophy. I testified that one out, I wrote them, I gave them a save for them, they give a fuck. So, it's a real stiff. It's just like, if you're just dealing down this game, you like it very much, please understand that every leveling to 16 to 17 or to 20 to 25 is getting more and more intense. More and more, like in each MMO game or something, you need a lot of time spending into this game. And that makes it so brutal and boring, this game. This game needs a story mode, a career mode. Some video frequented. It gives you extra XPs or something with that, like Most Wanted in the first time in 2000 or 2003 or something it was. Most Wanted on Xbox, PlayStation 2. But this game is very cheap. That means you have not to pay. Sometimes you have to pay for the game to have it. But this game is amazing about its physics. That's why I'm still playing this game. Gambaramas. For sake. And I totally forgot to say, every car is different about whatever you're just choosing actually in your tuning setup box. You know, you have to play it by yourself. It's an experience by yourself. You can't say it's as well Legends Unite. You're drifting here and there on Rush, or what was it actually, like dirt racing, dirt. I can't explain, seriously. Grid. Like grid, you know, you do something in here and there, and then it's similar with a multiplayer guy, you play each other. Every shit car is so different, so that's why I make so many mistakes. Because I created the car by myself, and I feel very lousy. Sorry. You can't change it right now. Trophy Winter Drift, what it is? Winter Drift, what it is? Earn 1,000,000 drift points on Castle Road. 1.4% of 1,000,000 drift points on Castle Road. Holy shit. And that picture's awesome. Holy shit. Let's view. Whoa. With the full moon behind. And the trees. And the deer, the guys. What the hell? That looks so nice. Finish. That looks nice. 1,000,000 drift points. Was gained actually kind of 30,000. Come on. It's when I'm playing this game here right now on this account since a month. Since a month I'm playing this. It was the 16th November 2025. Earn a gold cup in a single player. 66%. Common. Ultra rare. Winter Drift. Okay. The last one was for 2 weeks ago. On the rise. Reach level 15. Earn a 500k with the drift points on the Voodoo. Wow. I say so. These trophies are so unique. I'm sorry. Unique way. I like that. Really. I like and live this one. Unique way. Unique, of course. My English, my German. All of these combinations. Oh, there's an Arcus. What the hell is even done that car? You get a trophy for bronze, you get a trophy for silver. I don't want to have it right now in the moment. As after actually 5 accounts, I should actually know how to drift and drive, yeah? Should it be, right? Ha 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 ha. Oh, there's Arcus. Sorry for the Japanese flag. I like Japan, Germany, Bavaria. I've been a misunderstanding about the American and the terrorism and all this stuff actually all over the world, so I'm choosing what I've been loved for since my childhood, so sorry for that one, right? And I don't even have to apologize for that one. So what's missing? Kind of a 2,000 points, 1,200, 1,100. Where can we get that done? Nowhere. The maximum is 600, 700 XP. So I think 2 drift racings and we have level 16. So where this car belongs to be going? And then you can choose this one. Oh, we don't can. Okay, go slow stock. Really? It is. There's no Brem mode. There's no changing the engine mode for that car. The license or something. That's fucking weird. Man, my balls are... You know, when you know you don't want to drive that one because it makes pain in yourself and your brain, but you want to drift and you know you can win, but you don't want to crash everywhere there on drifting. And then that feeling like adrenaline, it's kind of these, you get touched by electronic actually on your balls and something like actually is tickling. It says actually you can't. You win, but you can't make a good live stream for out this one. You have a lot of problems actually because you know the pain already you're going through all the times in 4 years now. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Don't crash somewhere else. Losing multiplication points on all this stuff. Your balls are tickling. It's since 4 years now, still there. It was all the times on Need for Speed, because I was a big Need for Speed fan, more than actually kind of 15 years. But there's so many races there. You have then even a movie shot there to say, okay, that was fine ass, that was easy to do done, and let's watch out for actually for the next race. That was a movie shot. If you're losing that all the times and you so get pissed off, you won them. 4 accounts or 3 accounts later, actually you didn't done the same, like, you know, this same race, you have these tickling. Like to say, it was a crazy one that remembers me actually for the last race about for a year ago, and now you have to do done that for a new account on PlayStation Network ID as well again. And then you have these ball tickling that says, this is not gonna be easy. I know you can win, but it was pain in the ass for a year ago. This is not the mind is actually saying that, it's the balls for a man, you know, doing that. Said, this is not gonna be good. Completely going wrong with that. If you just even survive that, maybe you're not happy after all. You're not booming and actually kind of say, celebrating this like for 1 year ago. You just say, oh gosh, I'm getting old. I'm in pain. My age is, it's not that age for a year ago. It's like all the times these stupid drifting as well here in the game. When I know this car, when I know this road, when maybe you're just choosing night or daylight, it doesn't matter. It's boring, and you know also that the people don't watching, it's just getting over with that. It's like, this is boring, left, right, or something. But play it by yourself. CarX Drift Racing Online, D.R.O. Maybe out there right now for 14 bucks. 14 bucks. It was actually for 20 bucks to get for 7 years ago. Sometimes I was getting it actually by 7 bucks on 2 other accounts like DefNation CB and Need for Speed Takeshi's other account. But right now I may just get it for, I can't remember, 13 something else by the Black Friday. So whatever. As I say, since a month I'm playing this game. Close to a month. Somehow I'm getting hungry. But I know I have so many stuff in my stomach and all over actually in my place in my colon. Because the last 3 days I was eating very much. As it's called, Friday you have free as well. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. My gosh. My cologne! Yeah. Last day, as I was not actually online anymore, I was watching Tekken. What was the other one? Street Fighter. Then there was another actually stuff out there on Amazon. I was watching so many karate games, karate movies. I'm sorry. So even Bloodsport in the morning time for a little sure what I was watching actually the last 2 days. If I was going to sleep. So I didn't sleep actually the last 2 days, but I just watched them, slept a bit, slept an hour, woke up again, played actually Tezo for nonsensely actually twice. So as I say, I'm awake since more than now 15 to 16 hours. Going through actually, that's the third game. And I still like it. My heart was actually hurting a little bit as I was playing as well Legends Unite all the times, this multiplayer raid. Choosing actually to say, alright, stop eating, just drink. Take a little magnesium calcium pill, and the heart is now fine. Shit, she's actually getting me a beer. That Germans! Most of the Germans don't play these games, especially alone. Maybe they are feared. I'm not. Since my childhood I'm awoke actually to be single. Nah, this is a booze. Somebody tell me actually you have to drive faster, you have to drive like these actually, this corner you have to take faster and blah blah blah. I have a setup for you. Hey, shut up. I'm choosing my way. Cheers. Never growed up actually with a family or something like that that pulled me over like that. Maybe that's why I don't have a license drive actually for a car, or actually have a girlfriend or something like that. But I feel okay. I'm still working. Maybe my life is a little bit shorter without love or something, but I'm okay. There was love in my life. I'm cold born. That's why the coldness in here. Gosh, other people's actually closing the door, closing the window, heating up actually the room. Even the smoking in the room, I don't want to have them. I need to open up, need to get the ventilation system actually on and smoking then. This is my right, to have my cleaned up room actually get the smoke out in the window, out of the window as well. I'm talking shit right now, I'm sorry for my English. To don't have exist actually this alive to be in 2 hours anymore. So that means actually when this live stream stop, it takes 2 hours and you can't reek or smell the smoke anymore. Even if it's cold in the room, if it's not there. And I'm happy about that one. Ah, come on, let's keep on moving this shit. Nighttime. I want to see a 60k on the drift points, DP. Let's keep on moving then. Starting to get night. At the smell now. So fruity. Ganbarimasu. It's just this stupid stuff I can't see actually the road when actually the drift points popping up. Today, I'm not myself. Normally, I'm not crashing. I crashed more than 10 times now. I'm pissed. That's why I hate this track. Especially this car is from 1 to 0 actually. Or better say actually from 60 miles, 0 to 60 miles actually in 1 second. To comprehend that with a controller is mostly impossible. But I'm not myself today. I'm cold, I'm sleepy, whatever. I'm pissed. Here we go again. Oh my, here we go again. I don't feel right. I feel fucked up. Normally we already get a 62,000 points. Put that there. I can't focus on it anymore. Here we go, get over here. Definitely wrong setup as well. I'm pissed. After 4 years experience, the fifth account with no help. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. This is maybe my last race. Car's the fault. This is not my yeah, go. Let's keep on going, people. Go offline. I'm going offline as well. Bye bye. Have a nice time. I'm going offline as well. Bye bye. I'm pissed. Have a nice time. I'm off. It's not watchable anymore. Bye. I'm pissed. I know that is when my balls are tickling. This is not a good choose. You're losing this one. I know that. You're losing that one by watchers, and that's it. Because I crash too much. Normally I'm not crashing. But this car is uncontrollable. See, it's not even possible to watch whatever is going on in here. I'm done. I'm done. I'm completely done. I'm completely broken today. It's like, if you're playing too much hours on live stream, you're broken. You have no commentaries the last 24 hours or something, then you get broken. You're just being a piece of shit. It's like actually you're talking to yourself. So thank you very much. I'm playing now for myself. I'm talking to myself. So goodbye. Have a nice time. I don't want to need you anymore. Fuck you all. This game is just for me. I'm just done in here. I quit to talk to you guys. Fuck this. I know that I'm nothing special, and that's good. That's very good, because I'm a piece of shit, I know that. So next live stream I should be actually calling, this is a piece of shit live stream. A piece of person is doing that. Because I'm nothing worth, I know that. Thank you very much. I dislike my live stream as well. I dislike. Good night. Bye bye. Have a nice time. I hope I'm listening nothing anymore about this one. I'm the biggest hater on life. I really regret that I'm still alive. I regret that I just was born, seriously, because I don't know what my mother and my father just thought about that one. I don't know. It's just they like to see people suffer. That's all what they can do done. So I'm so sorry that I just being alive. Somebody just makes a joke out of me. No right actually that I'm still alive. I should actually get executed immediately. I hate my life since my 6th year. I started up to work in this time. Nobody actually started up to having a little love in me. I'm sorry, I'm emotionless and all this stuff. I give a fuck. I'm just a piece of shit. I don't know what I have to deal done right now with myself. I'm just liveless person. I have no life to deal done with anymore. Just a dead person already. It's my 6th year. There was all this myself to teach myself all these things. I have no friends, I have nothing. So, okay, whatever. Bye bye. I'm deaf, by the way. He's a lonely boy all the times. Fuck life. Obviously, tomorrow's work, I have to do done everything by myself because nobody wants actually to work anymore. Nice, nice, nice. So it's my fault that we can't actually get it together actually tomorrow. So I'll really be in a pain the next 3 days. So I'm not live streaming the next 3 days then, and yeah, I quit my life then. It's too much for myself. Just want to talk, I want to drink, and making a break all the times. I feel miserable fuck it. Already have a burnout right now. And yeah, well, the next 3 days is fuck this year. I hope this year I just cut my throat through and life is a piece of shit. the Drift Guardian and the trophy. So it works. Okay. What we need next? It's about these voodoo, or what will it call them? Earn a 500k points on a Hornet GT. The other man. Maybe a silver. Win in the 5 duels at Castle Road. Win 25 multiplayer races. Win in 5 duels. Okay. There's no duels. Win in any 20 competition at Castle Road. Any. Been in any competition in okay. Been in any competition in Castle Road. And they're gone. I don't even accept that. What the fuck? Come on, guys. Not even once. It's just child runs or something. How easy can it be? They don't want to go. This is disgusting.
Get hardcore sleepy. Imso Iklon. No one cares about invites these days. Bye then. Good sleep everyone.